morning, everyone. As always, the company will continue to provide health insurance, retirement benefits, and job security. You don't have to worry about your future.
News. At least I don't have to worry about hospital bills anymore.
Yeah. And the retirement plan means I can just stay here until I get old.
Same here. I just do my job every day. No need to push too hard.
Exactly. Jose, Westers ourselves.
How are the reports going?
Almost finished. I don't have to rush since the deadline is far.
Mine's done, but I just keep it basic.
I only did what you asked, nothing extra.
I haven't started yet, but I'll get it on time.
This job is comfortable. I don't need to work too hard.
Other companies push their workers. Here, life is easy.
But don't you feel bored? There's no challenge here.
Yes, but I prefer security over stress. We'll always get paid anyway.
At least we're safe.